Hi, my name is Esme Schmitt.
And I'm Lynette Snowman. We would like to invite you to our next workshop. It'll be Saturday morning, the 15th of October from 9 to 1 at the Father's House Christian Fellowship.
And we are going to have so much fun. As usual, lots of practical tips, lots of things you can apply in children's ministry and at home. But the topic this time is going to be on the Holy Spirit. We are going to talk about the person of the Holy Spirit, the outworking of the Holy Spirit, and how you can teach about this amazing person in the Trinity. Not just at home, but also in children's ministry.
So come along and join us. As usual, you'll also be able to meet a lot of people and there'll be resources for sale. Click below on the Quicket link and get your ticket.
See you there.
See you there.
Bye.